We're excited to be here today. The day is finally here. It is McAllen Education Foundation's third annual bowling tournament. Every school in McAllen ISD represented today, so we have about 39 lanes, including not just the schools, but also we have some departments that are here as well, so that's very exciting. We also had numerous sponsors. A lot of people in the community came through for the foundation, came through for teachers, came through for the district in order to support our teachers, because this is a fun day. It is. You'll see a lot of excitement. You're going to see people jumping up and down when they hit those strikes and those spares. But ultimately, the most exciting thing here is that we are raising money for our innovative teaching grants. And these are grants that we award to teachers who really like to think out of the box. They know that their students don't just have one way of learning, and they know that they have to approach them differently, right? And so every student is different, and it's just exciting that we have teachers that know that and try to make learning a lot more fun for them.